Alright, so I'm working on, what is it, DF9.9B, so Suzuki 99, it's 2024. So trying to get this bearing out of the lower end, and really the only way to do it is kind of build up something like this. Which seems to be working to pull this out. So tried the slide hammer. That didn't seem to work. Once I get this out of here, I can show you what I did. Turn that on. Okay, there we go. We broke free. So now I got these plates in here because you don't want to mess with this mating surface here. You want to keep that as flat as possible. But so I got this little bearing puller. And the cullet that came with the kit that fits that bearing. But for this I needed to make an extension. So that's the adapter that goes with that and this. So I had to build a little extension to go in here. Everything laid out. The slide hammer, the little adapter. There's the cullet that goes directly into this bearing puller. But where that's so deep down in there, it wasn't long enough. So I had to go and make a stud. Just an M10 by 1.5 or whatever. So I could thread that up in the puller. Use that off the slide hammer. And that into the collet. And then your little base plates so you don't mark up this face. And that's pretty much it to pull one of them out of there. As you can see, this guy's fully seized up. There's no roll left in that at all. But as you can see, the forward and reverse gears and pinion, a big piece of the pinion came off and ground around in there. She's chooched. But so yeah, I'll end it there. Peace.